This is uArmSwift, a small yet powerful robotic arm with built-in Bluetooth. And this is uArmSwift Pro, a premium and powerful robot arm equipped with stepper motors and encoders. uArmSwift Pro is designed for delicate ideas that need high accuracy to make it happen. Now it is precise enough to do laser engraving of complex images, to work on your artistic inspirations, or to play games intelligently. Both uArmSwift and uArmSwift Pro are completely open-sourced and easy to extend. For example, make a fan that follows your face in summer. With the improved end effector, they are super easy to attach different kinds of sensors, actuators. Benefit from the integrated Grove port. uArmSwift series supports seed Grove kits and OpenMV camera modules to make creation projects easier than ever. uArmStudio is a simple all-in-one software for everyone to control and program their uArm. It integrates a graphical programming interface based on Blockly, gesture control based on leap motion, and more. It's the best software tool for beginners to explore the power of robotic arms. uArmSwift series is still up to work without being tethered to a computer. Press the button to teach it. Press again and it will repeat the task once or forever. Then take a rest. The uArm Play mobile app makes remote control as simple as possible. It connects to uArm automatically. Simply enjoy playing and have fun. What's more, experienced programmers can explore more powerful vision features in UCS, uArm Creator Studio. Applying computer vision and logic to your robotic project has never been this easy. Different from uArm Metal, the previous version of uArm, uArmSwift series has been completely redesigned to meet the demand of robot enthusiasts. It has 4 degrees of freedom and enhanced moving range. The all-new unibody design makes all components well protected and no wirings required. What's more, buttons on the base control built-in functions and can be programmed to do whatever you like. Standardized plugin makes it possible to switch between different end effectors within 30 seconds. Compared with uArmSwift, uArmSwift Pro is powered by high-quality gearbox with stepper motors. Combined with the 12-bit encoder, it moves smoothly and precisely. No matter how much you know about robotics and programming, you can always find something new to learn and play with uArmSwift or uArmSwift Pro, the best entry-level open-source robot.